What's going on, everybody? This is Nick from House of Paint 203 bringing you the Erinyes. I had to look up how to say this because I've been pronouncing it Erinyes. So this is a medium fiend who appears in the monster manual. We're gonna paint her. Before we do, just a friendly reminder to smite like and slam subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all the latest content that I'm putting out there in my quest to paint the manual. So without further ado, let's get started.
Since the Erinyes dons black armor, I'm going to be starting off with a dry brush of Stonewall gray and black, just to kind of get some points of highlight on here. I'm going to have to reinforce with black later on, but I'm not too worried about it. Adding white to that mixture here and try to really capture those most prominent highlights. I'm not worried about the face at this point or anything like that. And as I was saying, reinforcing here with black to really dull down that armor again. I'm going to take some bloody red and outline the edges of the armor here, just like in the monster manual. It does look like she has very fine form-fitting armor, very sleek, very assassin-like, and the edges of this are lined, with red. Gonna base coat the face here with some Rosy shadow. Base the wings front and back with a base coat of heavy sienna and heavy red.
I struggled mightily with this one, to be honest with you. Very, very small features. Got hung up on the face a little bit, but powered through and bringing it to you. Another one down from the Monster Manual. Not my favorite one by any stretch, but it is done. And information on how to follow me on all my social media platforms is immediately following the video, as is information on how to follow Dominic Marriott of Credit UK and Mike Donnarummo of MVD Studios. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.